Hello everyone, welcome to 3D CAD tutorials. Today we will uh, know about the SolidWorks, how the SolidWorks is very easiest software, how we can learn very easily. First we will go through the initial steps. Suppose once you open, you will get this window. After this, near to this logo, you are having a file view tool and help. After that, one pin button is there. You just press this button. Some you will get some options here. This is the home button, and this is a new. You can press Control N, or you can select this one. You will get a three options where this were the part assembly and drawing. So part assembly and drawing means you can design a part in this platform, and sometimes by using a multi-body you can create an assembly also in the part mode also. There is no need to worry, but especially part is basically to design a single component. So next we are moving assembly. If assembly means you can just drag and drop the already designed part, or sometimes if any part is missed you can create a new part in the assembly mode also. So we will learn this one later. Then the third platform is drawing. The drawing, even though you design a part or an assembly for manufacturing, we require only the drawings, 2D drawings. Worldwide they are reading the 2D drawings only. Yes, nowadays they are using the 3D files, step files for manufacturing, but for documentation and for the conventional machining purpose, till today we are using the uh, apart from the CNC machining and sheet metal fabrication, casting, molding, and so many. It's having its own importance of 2D drawings. So here when here one button is the advanced button. If you click this one, you will enter to part assembly and drawing, where this is an area. You can see a template means suppose if you want a part has to be designed in mmgs, millimeter, grams and second, you can customize that one, the part in the assembly. Also you can customize drawings. If the drawing templates, if companies or your personalized templates are there, you can use that one while doing drawings or part or assembly. These are the tutorials. You can, if you enter to part assembly drawing, you will get the tutorials. So these are all the things. We are coming to the basic one. This is the part mode, assembly mode and drawing mode. Right now I am entering to the part mode. Let us see. So we enter to the part mode. What are all the options and tabs, and we can see in that graphical area. Let us see here. First and foremost thing, before designing we have to know about how to set the units. So here in the right side bottom corner, MKS system, that means right now it's in meter, kilogram and second. Especially in India we are using mmgs we are using. So just click on this one. mmgs has been activated. Now any drawings or any dimensions, any lines, if you draw, all dimensions are in millimeters. So this is the first thing we have to check here. Then second thing, here as all 3D, that means X, Y and Z planes. Suppose if you see three planes are there, front, top and right, that means a side we can say, and one origin is there. So these are having their own importance. Without plane we can't draw a 2D sketch, because especially 2D means two-dimensional, x and y, or it may be other also. So right now the origin is there, to fix point is required to give the constraint. So later on I will explain what is the constraints, and uh, let us see. If you see, this is the ribbon bar, we are calling it a ribbon, where you will get this is the tab window. Once you select the tab window, your ribbon will activate. Suppose initially I will select the sketch. In sketch mode they are giving these many options right now. So what I have to do means, you can enter to sketch mode. Here you can see there are three options: sketch, 3D sketch, 3D sketch on plane. So initially we are going to sketch mode. So when you are going to sketch mode, I am coming out of the sketch mode, you have to specify, that which plane you want to select. It will ask you. If you don't selected any plane, it will ask you. If you are directly entering to sketch mode, it will ask you which plane you want. Based on your requirement you have to select. Right now I am selecting a top plane. So what I am doing, once I enter to this area, uh, these are all the options are activated. See here, initially before these things are not activated, I am going back. See, suppose this is not activated, this is not activated, this is not, these are all things not activated. So once I enter, suppose I am going to sketch mode and I am selecting top. See, this one is activated, this one is activated, this one is activated. So that means once you are entered to that platform, it will give you a suggestion or an option to select, is this you required or not. So right now I am just extruding, I am drawing a circle here, and I want to give a dimension here. After, next to this one, smart dimension is there, you can just click and say 50 millimeters. And if you want to, if you want to extrude, as I told, it's a very simple sketch. I don't want to do this mirror, this one we will come up with the later stages. I will just extrude. Once I came here, there are so many options. Suppose if you say in extrude, it's automatically taken at 10 mm, no issue. Okay, so I want to sketch again. That means the existing feature itself, surface itself, act as a new plane for the oh, plane for the new sketch. Okay, I'm selecting this one and I'm telling sketch. Here you can select here also, you can go to sketch and you can say sketch, both are same. So otherwise you can select, right click and select sketch, this one is also same. So what I will do, instead of drawing a sketch, I will say offset, and it is asking which one you want to offset. So if I select this edge, I'll say reverse just offset. Here I am not drawing any sketch, here I am not drawing any sketch, I am using the existing entity to generate the new sketch. So I am telling this one and say okay. So it will automatically dimension came. If you want to change, you can change to 15 millimeters, it will automatically update. If you want to reduce this one, you can change to 5 millimeters, it will automatically update. And if you want to extrude, revolve, uh, cut, what are all the things you want to do, it will show the options. Based on your sketch, these options will activate. We have to keep in mind, if this thing is not showing, means in this sketch, single sketch, this loop option is not at all possible. So this is the thing we have to keep in mind every time while doing. So what I will do, I will tell initially we used the extrude boss, now I am going for the extrude cut. So I am giving that um, depth of 5 millimeters, 5 millimeters, and I'm saying okay, okay. So this depth has been generated. This is a very simple, one extrude and one cut. So now you can see feature, these all are activated, all are activated. So that means once a solid body is there, some object is there, you can do multiple operation. So suppose I will roll back to this position, if you see, nothing you can't do. These four all these five are all creating a new body. These features are used to create a new body, a base body. So that's why these are all required. Even if you have a single sketch, it will show. So to do the cut and everything, some body should be there, some object should be there. That's why it is not showing. So if I come here, let's see, it will obviously take. So like this, all you are having so many tabs. Suppose if you want a sheet metal, suppose if you are not having a weldment something, you want sheet metal, just come here and right click, you'll get a sheet metal, you get a sheet metal object. So if you want to mold design you are doing, just come here, take it. So where you will get a offset surface and ruled surface, filled surface, parting line, the split line, everything you will get, setup surface, core cavity extraction, everything you will get it here. So evaluate, this is for especially for measurement, to measure mass, what is the mass, to check, and to check the interference between the two parts. And these are all the things for just for to check the geometry, everything we will use. And the thing is that if you don't want to keep this one at the top, you can drag this entire tab out and you can place this one right or left or top. Okay, no need to worry, sometimes it will pop up like this, and no need to bother about this one. You have to just drag this one and keep it here, that's it. So after these are all the three planes we are having, as I explained earlier. One origin is there. um, so we will come to the sketch features and everything in later. This is just a basic thing I want to explain you. If you come to home, here you will get the tutorials and the basic things here, where you will get a toolbox where the standard parts are available, maybe like nut, bolt, and bearings, and searing, and everything. What are all the standard things you will get it here. And this is the 3D content center where you can directly download the OEMs and you can directly use, where you will get the supplier contact numbers also, you can estimate very easily. This is the SolidWorks content, there also you can download directly and utilize. This is the open file explorer recent parts, and you can open the new. And this is the drawing, where you can create a drawings and everything. So one by one, this is a, you can chat, you can chat forum is there. And custom properties you can change like that. Custom properties in the sense, if you come here, you can just a custom manager. If you see here, if you want some 2D to 3D conversion, you just click here, this operation will pop up somewhere here. This has been popped 2D to 3D. So you can place anywhere you want. If you want to place at bottom, you can place this one at bottom, no issue. You want an assembly block, it's just click here. Once if you don't want, or if you placed here, if you don't want, you just drag and just delete it. So these are all the things, and shortcut bars. So what will happen while doing an faster mode to eliminate or to just uh, improve our speed, we are using the shortcuts. I will tell you that one later, and commands you can directly use this one if you want. So what are all the things you will get here? You can see here categories, spline tools. These are all the things you will get here. Menu and keyboard, and you can in keyboard you can just assign the things. Make drawing from part. So what I will do, m plus d. Okay, it's already assigned something, no issue. So what I will do, shift D. I will tell shift D. If I press shift D, it will directly go to drawing mode. So let us check that one. Okay, I will say okay, and so you can if mouse gesture means you can change this one. If you just click at part mode, assembly mode, and at drawing mode. If you just click and hold the center scroll button, what are all the options you want to assign? What are all the options you want to assign? You can assign those things also. Okay, so we assigned shift plus D to generate the drawing. So let us see. Okay, this is entirely a parametric based platform and a feature based platform where we are using the dimensions as the base for each and every feature. So these are the basic things. Let us check. Shift plus D. I am pressing shift plus D. See, this file must be saved before insert. Yeah, save. Yeah, part 2. Save. So while it will directly go to the drawing mode like this, you can directly you can select the template here, A4, A3, what is the existing A4. So I just say okay. And if you want to take the standard views, if you want to take the standard views, you can just drag and drop this one also, no issue. Once you drop this one, you just click here, say okay, then 3 standard views, then say okay, you'll get 3 standard views. Okay, this may be I dragged and drop, so I will delete this one. These are all the standard. This is the front. Right now we may we may getting in a third angle. If you want in a first angle, right click here, go to properties, just say first angle, and just say apply changes. You will get in this one. Suppose if you want to change in a wireframe, just click here. Hidden lines should be hidden features should be visible, then you get like this. Then here also there are so many things we will discuss later, everything step by step in the later tutorials. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.